going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day. It's 6:30 right now, early morning, and I had the truck washed up, ready to go. We're about to go to OTM. It's gonna be our second year going there. It's about like 2-hour drive, 3. We're about to take off right now. That we could get there pretty early. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, little quick stop we made. You ain't in Texas if you don't stop at Buc-ee's, something like that. Stop at Buc-ee's real quick, get a gas. Let's head over to Houston. I think this means we're almost there. Alright guys, we finally made it here. Yes, we're gonna be able to go through here. We've been in the line all the way from the highway for like about 2 hours already. We're finally being able to enter. But damn, we're gonna be here for quite a minute. Team Billy one. This is that one Team Billy one.
Yellow interior, I don't know.
And remember this is the one that we were behind last year?
Yeah.
I don't think it had yellow interior last year though. Oh yeah, both of these, right? Yeah. Alright, unloaded the truck. Looks like we're good. Look at that truck. That truck's clean. We're gonna go get tagged. Go hopefully it passes. I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. It shouldn't, but let's hope we do. That way we can start testing tuning and maybe get into a 12-volt class. Alright, made it here to the tech spot. Man, it's so crowded, bruh. It's so much crowded than last year. Like last year's OTM was nowhere near this. Like we were just driving peacefully. Right now, we spent like 30 minutes, 20 minutes in this line just to get all the way over here. It's so crowded, but it's cool. It's cool. Not that bad. It's not the worst. Look at that truck, guys. That's Hoosiers all around. That is badass. Almost into here. Alright guys, so we're officially dowed. I mean, not dowed. We're set up in the class. We're in a 12-volt class. This is who we're up against. Out of all these full-size trucks, we're up against this one. Wow, just our luck. Look.
This is what we gotta go against first round.
First round, yeah. Yeah. Look at all the trucks here. Out of all of them, we just had to pick one of the 2 light ones. Alright, but we'll try our best. They're cleaning up the track and they're letting test and tunes and 13s, I think. I don't know what's going on right now. It's really not organized. In my opinion, it's not. But right now we're just gonna watch people race.
That one's 10.
Oh, it is right. Man, that's quiet. Alright guys, now we're just waiting for them to finish prepping up the track, I think. Once they finish doing that, cleaning it, I think they're cleaning it, that's what they're doing. But once they're done that, I think a couple of 13-0 classes are gonna go, and then us, I think. I'm not sure. You have to check this truck out though. This one has a Whipple. He closed his hood, but a while ago I seen it, it has a badass Whipple. That's badass. Brand new Ford. Tire. And it's Whippled. I just realized it had a rope pan. That's cool. That's badass. I didn't know they made rope pans yet for these. Mr. Boom _5.0 is his Instagram. That's cool. That's cool.
Their first pair of 12-second index machines, Jesus Cervantes.
I think we just won. I think the blue truck got to the finish line first, but we ran a faster time at 12.0 and he ran at 12.1. But my brother came back already. I'm about to speak to what happened. All right, you want to explain that?
All right, so see, this is the time slip. The dial one is 12.0. He got me on the reaction time. I got a .297. He got a .162. Basically, I ran at 12.0. He ran at 12.1. But since the reaction time was quicker, the difference is .037. That's some shit.
I know. That sucks. That really sucks. Like a lot. All right, guys. I think we're done racing. I think we're just gonna walk around and see what's going on around here. We'll race again whenever Test and Tune's back up. But yeah, for the index class, we're out. It sucks, but it's whatever, man. The crank. Is that a fuel pump?
Oh yeah.
A crank driven fuel pump?
Yeah.
God dang. I know. Damn, that's really bad. That's a turbo. This one's twin turbo, see?
Yeah.
Is this a real Intimidator? Oh shit, it is! Damn! Yeah, the HD one. It's a road Intimidator. Damn, his rims are curved. It's different. Nobody has something like that. I know. Sheesh. Yeah. guys, we got some food. Now we're sitting down just watching races. Check this out. Right now it's like 12-0 class index. And this guy is still in. Damn. He ended it, right?
I think you're trying to go with 2-step.
Which one did? The white one?
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, he's down.
Being that's flying the drone. Land the drone so we can continue running tonight.
Someone with a drone up there. Alright guys, so right now, I think it's been a minute since I recorded, but we basically were just sitting down, helped a couple friends leave. And right now, we're in the staging lanes. We're gonna do a test and tune. But it's basically a test and tune now because nobody's really racing. There's no 11 classes, no index classes anymore, so it's just for fun. But yeah, we're gonna try to shoot for 11 or see if we can launch harder. We're back there. Hot, feel in the back, but yeah. We'll see what we can get in a little bit. Hopefully we can stage up and hopefully nothing breaks. Keep you guys updated.
All right, guys. Man, that was the last OTM ever, though.